What's up, gang? It's game time and super excited about this. I went back in time. I know 2018 wasn't exactly that long ago, but it seems like forever ago since Certified was released. And since I've been having some good luck with Baker Mayfield pulls, I thought what product would give me a good, not a good chance, a chance at maybe another Baker or Saquon pull, and so Certified stuck out with 4 autographs, or 4 auto or mem cards, probably 2 autos, but anyways, that's kind of what came to mind. So I went online and I found the best price and I ordered one, and we're about to open it. Hopefully can get a decent auto out of here. I have done the same with other things since I have been having some good luck lately, and gone back and picked up some stuff that I thought might potentially deliver a big hit since I have been having such good luck lately. I know it won't last forever, but for as long as this lucky streak runs on, thought I'd give a couple of things another shot. Alright, don't get many packs here. How many is it? I don't remember. 10, 12? Yeah, 10. Alright, let's go. The other thing I thought of when I thought of this was maybe Donruss Elite. That might have been a good option too. Trail Suggs. Although I've got some surprises for you guys. Something completely new that I haven't even opened before. A couple of things. Jordan Howard. There is an Austin Prohl rookie to, it's a blue to $4.99. Todd Gurley certified seal of approval. A Baker something on back. Looks like, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe an insert, because it looks like the hit's there in the middle. Tyreek Hill, JJ Watt. Who's this? Jerome Baker rookie to $9.99. The hit is Jaleel Scott, and it is a freshman fabric to $4.99 with a patch. Good looking card, not the best player to get. The Baker was the gold team, so that's definitely a decent little insert there. It's another pack that feels kind of thick. Yeah, maybe a filler card. Julio, Cameron Brate, Jordan Reed, filler. Tyrod Taylor, orange to $2.25. Jai certified diamonds. Next up, Allen Robinson, Julius Peppers, Dak Prescott. We have a Rashad Penny new generation jersey. So that's one of the autos and one of the mem cards. Well, I'm sure even though this had jersey, it counts as an auto. And a certified seal, Deshaun Watson. Mike Evans, Derrick Henry, LaShawn McCoy, Eli Manning, parallel to $4.99. Again, looks to be blue. And certified champions, Charles Woodson. Josh Norman, Ezekiel Elliott, Derek Carr, Clutch Performers, Devontae Adams. Good looking card. Is it numbered? It looks to be. Yeah, it is. It's way down there. It's the blue. It's to 50. I wish I could see what was just past that stitching there. Probably a different color. And it's just cut off right there. That stinks. We still should have one more autograph. Jordan Howard. And we got 4 more packs to go. Kind of want to hold on to the last auto, but it's hard to know. They turn around just parallels and such. So it's hard to know exactly when it's gonna. This looks like a filler card, so we'll go with this. Jarvis Landry, Clay Matthews, Kenyon Drake, John Lynch, Immortals. That is to $9.99. Oh, and a Saquon Gold Team. So definitely 2 good Gold Team cards out of here. Best you could ask for. I don't know. Okay. It doesn't matter. We're at the end anyways. Flacco. Who is this? Oh, Diggs. I can barely read the names. Blunt. Rod Woodson Immortals to $4.99. So a parallel version of that insert. Josh Norman Certified Diamonds. It's either going to be here or in the little stack that I set down on the table. Kareem Hunt. Why'd you have to, Kareem? Ben Roethlisberger. Keenum. Oh, maybe this is it. Or maybe this is just an... It is! And it's numbered out of 35. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So much yes. Love Sony Michel. And the fact that this is super short print makes it butter. Butter. Yes. Definitely not a Baker, not a Saquon, but if you want to go just one little tiny tier down, and maybe not even that, Sony Michel. Alright, Cam Newton, and then the last pack that we had started open was Fitz, Russell Wilson, Leighton Vander Esch to $9.99. A Keenan Allen parallel to $9.99. That's red. And Stafford. So yeah, the Sony Michel to $35. That's a sweet little card right there. I like it a lot. And then we ended up with the Clutch Performers, Devontae Adams to $50. That's a decent card. Rashad Penny, that's decent too. And a good looking freshman fabric patch, Jaleel Scott. Wish it was a little bit better player, but definitely a good looking card. Alright, then of course we have some inserts and nice inserts and parallels, as Certified is known to give. So not a bad box. Definitely not a bad box. Got a lot of stuff coming in, guys, so if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications, because there's a lot of stuff coming up. Like I said, I've got some surprises, some stuff that I've never really thought to open, and then today it hit me. I'm like, it's just, I love stuff that has tons of hits. I don't know why I didn't think to buy these boxes, so stay tuned for that. That will be coming up in the next couple of days. Alright, take care. I'll be back soon.